Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video, and today I'm featuring RPGHAIR. Big thank you to RPGHAIR for sponsoring this video. Now let's jump into this look. So these are the contents of my package. They provided me with quite a few free gifts, and then this is the star of the show. We have a wear and go wig. This is their wear and go half wig collection. This is super beginner friendly. This is a natural textured kinky wand curl. I'm obsessed. Look at these curls. Perfect. And these are done for you. I have this in 20 inches. It's 180 density. So this is an invisible hairline. As you can see, there are no visible wefts. This is the inside construction. You do have two combs in the front, and you also have a big comb in the nape, which I like that this is a Velcro, so you can remove this if you don't want to use that and you prefer the drawstring by itself. You can always remove this. It's detachable, and then you can attach it again. I also love this drawstring. This is different from any other drawstring wig. Like, the construction of the drawstring is different. Once I cinch it and lock it, it locks in place. And this is a 3-in-1. So this can fit many different head shapes. Like, it can go super small, super big. So this is my braid pattern. I'm just going to spray my hair down with some leave-in just to put some moisture into these braids. And I'm going to put a wig cap on, and these braids in the front, I'm going to take those out because that is all I'm using for leave out. My hair was, I think, air dried, and then I braided it down. So this would be like the first time putting heat on it in a while. So I'm going to put this wig on, and I am going to use the combs in the front, and I'm going to use the comb in the nape as well as the drawstring to secure this wig. I love this because it is a natural texture, so you can achieve like a flawless natural look while still protecting your hair, and it's super effortless. And the wand curls are perfect for like everyday styling, and you can also glam this up or go out. So I love the versatility of this look. So once I put this on and lock everything in place, I'm just going to play with the front to see how I want to style this. And depending on what you prefer, you can just go as is, like blend your leave out in the front and go about your day. But I had to press this out because, as I stated, my hair was not previously flat ironed, so it was a little too coily. It didn't match. The textures didn't match. Once I press it out, it is the perfect match. And if you want, you can go in and add some more wand curls. And that is what I am going to do, but very little, just at the top to blend. So I am going to use some heat protectant because we are trying to refrain from heat damage. So I'm going to use a little heat protectant as I press this out, and then I'm going to pull out my Hot Tools wand curl. I will have all products linked in the description box. Anything that you see used in this video will be linked in the description box, or it will pop up here on the screen. So I'm going to use that, and I'm going to blend the front just to add a little bit more volume so everything is seamless. They did an amazing job. These curls hold. Even if you run your fingers through this hair, you're still going to have these wand curls. So the styling on this, perfection. So this piece right here in the front, I'm going for like a flip over look. I'm going to wand curl that mostly at the root so that my natural hair blends with the rest. And that's really it. You don't have to do this. This is optional, and it all depends on how long your natural hair is. Of course, if your hair is longer, I do suggest going in and wanding it just for a seamless look. But the hair takes to heat really well. I didn't have to leave this on, and this wasn't even at the full temperature. I think I did this on 375. So I'm just going to wand those pieces just to blend it. And that is it for this look. I am going to show you a few different looks. So this is it for like the flip over look. Then I'm going to show you what this looks like in a half up, half down, some pieces out in the front, like some tendrils, then just a complete half up, half down, as well as a high ponytail. One thing I want to mention is if you want to go for a seamless ponytail or high puff, all you have to do is leave a little bit of hair out in the nape. The same way I left hair out in the front to blend with this invisible hairline, you can do the same thing in the nape, and it's also going to give you a seamless look. And because this is a 3-in-1 and the drawstring gives you the ability to cinch it really small, you can get away with a full on ponytail with this half wig. This construction is amazing. So I'm going to move on to the next style. And I love the length of this. This is 20 inches. Of course, it doesn't look like 20 because of the curls, but once you pull these curls down and you stretch it, you see the full length. So you can customize this and go in and choose the length that you prefer. So if you go to the description box and click the link, it'll take you to the website so you can customize your own wig. So for this, I left a little piece out in the front. I thought this was cute. This is like one of my signature looks. Like, I should have tried the split bang, but I'm pretty sure I've done that. So I tried something different. I did one piece and I thought that was really cute. I know these wand curls are going to look really good once they're combed all the way out, but I just left them intact for this video and for tutorial purposes. So I love the fact that you can't see anything when I turn around. Everything is seamless and concealed, no wefts, no tracks. This hair is gorgeous. And for this to be 180 density, this is the perfect density. This is 100% human hair, so you can add heat to this, you can straighten this, you can curl it, you can use a different size wand curl if you want. So the options are endless. So here I'm just going to take that piece and push it back and just do a solid half up, half down. I tried not to do any baby hairs with this. I did use a little bit of edge control towards the end, but for the most part, no baby hairs. But this looks really good too. I love the way this came out. And my favorite has to be the high puff. The high puff and the flip over in this texture are just gorgeous. They look so good. This is such a natural, realistic look, and I love that. So I'm going to head on out and let you guys finish watching this video. Don't forget to like this video. Check out my playlist and definitely check the links in the description box because they have this style, like tap wigs, in quite a few different natural textures. So big thank you to RPGHAIR for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to y'all for clicking on another video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.